If it's less than 20%, who gives a right? Just burn the freaking thing. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a really cool product. I've had it for a while because I was testing it out throughout the winter. But this is a moisture meter for firewood. Okay, now this is very useful. And I have some pieces of firewood right here that we're going to test. And I want you to see it. It's kind of cool. So what's really unique, because you don't know the moisture content of the firewood, so you're wondering, why doesn't it burn? Why doesn't it catch fire? Well, anything higher than 20% is not recommended to burn because it has moisture, could have chemicals, it'll create creosote in the chimney, and it'll make into a chimney fire over time, and you don't want that to happen. So what we recommend, what everybody recommends, is 20% or less. Anything higher will just create more smoke, more white smoke, and you'll hear it hissing psst, when you're burning it. So this meter will help you determine if it's good or bad. Now, another rule of thumb, if the wood is heavy, that usually indicates it has moisture in it. Okay, so that's just something to take note as well. However, the lighter it is, the less moisture is in it. But this meter is the shit. This is amazing. This will definitely get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. Now it's got two probes on the top. They're really sharp, so do not poke yourself with them. It's not a taser, so don't get this confused for anything else than a moisture meter. So we power this on. And there's different types of wood, like density. There's no way that you're going to know, but we could just simply poke this on here. Let me see if I can actually show you. So these pieces of wood I actually split. I'm going to zoom in on this so you could see what it actually is. And it shows 11.7%. Let me get it in such a way that you actually can see it when I zoom in. 11.7. Go to a different spot. It says 13, well, what let me say? It's great, man. This is like the best freaking thing ever. I recommend this thing like no tomorrow, especially if you have no freaking clue. This will take the stupidity out of everything. So that's at 13. This is 12.6. It's the coolest freaking thing ever. This is a great tool. It's the best thing ever, especially if you have no freaking clue what the wood content, the moisture content is of the wood. And it comes in a nice carrying bag if you want to protect it. Put it in the drawer, in your junk drawer. If it's less than 20%, who gives a shit? Right? Just burn the freaking thing. But anyway, this product kicks ass. I love it. Let's get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. You'll have I'll have a link in the description below to purchase it. I do want to tell you one thing. It does take 2 AAA batteries that do not come with the item. I don't believe it does. Actually, it probably does. I just replaced it with Duracell. Now that I think about it, I think it did come with batteries. But I just use Duracell batteries because I know they're going to last forever. But yeah, it's a great product. I freaking love it. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time!